So I have a theory that every content creator is depressed, and I'm pretty sure I can prove it. If you haven't seen, there's a trend that's going around where people are like, this is what I did to grow my page, right? And I watch a lot of them because, go figure. I want to learn from people who are good at what they do. And one of the things that I have noticed is that it is always something about there being this like constant stream of ideas, right? And this is something I have also personally noticed. Yeah, everybody knows about like the quantity thing, post more, post more, post more. But how do you post more? Where does that actually come from? That has to obviously come from you, or, assuming you're not copying other people. So if it's going to come from you, that means that you are thinking a lot. If you're thinking a lot, that means that this is just going nonstop, right? Unfortunately, humans are a little bit predisposed to negative thoughts. So that means a lot of the things that we're thinking about are negative. So if you're constantly thinking of ideas, you're constantly just cranking out these things, probably writing them down in your notes app, at least that's what I do. We can infer from that that the more content that is being posted, the more negative thoughts that somebody is having, the more depressed that they probably are. I'm not going to tag this gal specifically, but she was talking about how at one point she was posting 20 times a day, and it was like at the worst point of her mental state, right? That seems to be a shared sentiment with almost everybody who's got a really big page. More posting means more thinking, which means more depression, more sadness. As a side note, I know I'm like a relatively small creator, but if people want to hear how I think you can grow your page, I think what I do is pretty duplicatable. But yeah, anyway, okay, that's all. I love you guys. Bye.